Now, similarity of triangles. What is similar figures? Figures which have the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. Are called as similar figures. Children, very simple. Your two passport size photographs, they are congruent. Your two stamp size photograph, they are also congruent. But your one stamp size photo and your one passport size photo, if you keep in front of each other, that is a very good example of similarity. I repeat, you take two stamp size photo, they are congruent. You take two passport size photograph, they are also congruent. But when you take one stamp size photo and when you take one passport size photo, yours only, then you can see that is a very good example of similarity. That is a very good example of similarity. The pictures has to be same. The pictures has to be same. So, what are similar figures? Figures which have the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called as similar figures. Two triangles are similar if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal. The corresponding sides of two triangles are in same proportion. So let us begin with practice set 3.5. If triangle XYZ is similar to triangle L, M and N, then write down the corresponding angles of two triangles and also write down the ratios of the corresponding sides. So what we can do is we can just draw this to see X, Y and Z, and L, M, N can be a little longer as compared to X, Y, Z. And now we are going to write for this. So solution, in triangle XYZ and triangle LMN, what we can write? Angle X congruent to angle L. Okay. The next thing, angle Y congruent to angle M. And the third angle Z congruent to angle N. So this is all about the angles. Okay. Now it is already given they are similar. So we are going to make use of this similar sign and we will drop this in also. Nothing we have to prove. They have given triangle XYZ similar to triangle LMN. Therefore angle X congruent to angle L, angle Y congruent to angle M and angle Z congruent to angle N. Now how are we going to write the sides? XY, this side, the left side upon LM. Again the left side. Now let us come to the base. YZ upon MN. And let us go to the right hand side now. XZ upon LN. Now when you are showing that or when you are writing that the sides are proportional, you have to take care of one thing, children. If you are writing the name of the side XYZ as the numerator, all its three sides should come in the numerator. Okay, and if you are taking LM, MN and LN as the sides of triangle LMN, then they all should come in the denominator. Only this care you have to take. It can be the other way around also. You can take LM, MN and LN as the numerator and you can take XY, YZ and XZ as the denominator. That way also it is okay. It is correct. Okay. So here the reason is corresponding angles of similar triangles. Already the triangles are given, no, similar, and this is the sign for similar, and here we will write corresponding sides of similar triangles. Children, the symbol for congruence, when we are writing congruence, what do? We also put this equal to sign. But when we are writing for similar, we are dropping this equal to, we are just going to make use of the top portion. So we say that, so what do we say? Similar figures are those figures which have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Not necessarily the same size. Now children, practice at 3.5, the third sum. Draw a sketch of a pair of similar triangles, label them, show their corresponding angles by the same signs. Show the lengths of the corresponding sides by numbers in proportion. So drawing is already done for you. A, B and C. We have also done the labeling. P, Q and R is also drawn and the labeling is also done. You can see A is marked as cross. So P is also marked as cross. That shows A is congruent to P.